Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. So I talk a lot about creating an engaged community, giving value and building an audience on my YouTube channel and my Instagram page. But today I want to talk to you about how you can monetize your account and actually get paid even if you don't have a large following. So Instagram added some really cool new features in the last few months that allow creators and businesses to monetize their Instagram profiles in a new way, which is a really good news for everyone who has any kind of audience on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 ways you can monetize your Instagram account. But first, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So a common misconception is that you have to have a huge following in order to make money on Instagram. But that's not true at all. You can monetize your profile with a smaller audience too. You just need to know what your audience wants and which kind of services and products they would be interested in. Alright, so the first way you can monetize your Instagram profile is by promoting brands and selling shoutouts. Promoting brands is one of the most popular ways you can monetize your account, and the good news is that more and more brands want to advertise this way. What you're basically doing is getting brands to pay you to post a photo or a story about them, which gives them exposure. This works especially well if your target audience is similar to their target audience. A common misconception is that only big influencers get paid for promotions, but that's just not true. Many brands love working with micro-influencers because their audience is usually way more targeted and it's also cheaper. So they would rather work with, for example, 10 smaller influencers than one bigger one. But if you have a smaller audience, chances are that brands are not going to find you. But that doesn't mean that they don't want to work with you. It just means that you're gonna have to be the one to reach out to them. So what you should do is think about which brands you would want to work with and just email them. Quick tip: you'll have way better chances of success if you do some stalking beforehand and see if they work with influencers already. You can do that by either looking at their feed and seeing if they have any influencer posts reposted. You can also check out their tagged section, or you can go to their website and scroll all the way to the bottom and see if they have an influencer section. The brands that are open for collaborations with influencers usually have an influencer section at the bottom of the page where you can contact them for collabs. So just send them an email telling them all about your Instagram accounts and share your stats. But most importantly, tell them what you can bring to the table and how the content you're going to create would benefit them. They'll also want to hear about your target audience, so make sure you send them all your stats. I would suggest you create a media kit, which is kind of like a portfolio with all your info and other collabs. You can find really cool templates in Canva and just fill them in. You also have to decide on your rates, which is the fun part. You can charge by the post, a story, then you can also do an offer of like 3 stories in a post or something like that. It's really hard to decide on how much you should charge at the beginning, but you can use tools like Influencer Bay or Inkifi that will calculate an estimate based on your audience size and engagement. Alright, so the next way you can monetize your account is with badges. Badges are a new way to monetize your Instagram lives, and it's a feature that Instagram rolled out to creators internationally last week, so it's completely new. Think of badges as tips by your audience during a live stream, so it's a way for them to say thank you for the content you're creating. They're available in 3 different levels. The prices are 99 cents, $1.99, and $4.99. You'll be able to see which badge your viewer bought by the number of hearts next to their name. So badges are available on creator accounts right now, and the way you can set them up is by going to settings, click creator, select badges and add some of your info and your payout method. And make sure you mention that you have badges set up during your live to encourage your audience to support you. If you don't have the badges option yet, don't worry. Instagram will slowly be rolling out to other creators and hopefully businesses as well. Alright, so my next favorite way you can monetize your profile is by being an affiliate for brands. which means that you'll be promoting your favorite products and services and get paid a commission every time someone buys something. So basically how it works is that you sign up with a company, they give you a unique trackable link, and then you can start promoting their product or service and sending people through your link. So you'll get paid a certain percentage of that product or service every time someone buys it. The amount of money you'll receive depends on the company, but you'll get the info about payments when you sign up for their affiliate program. Most bigger companies offer affiliate programs, which you can usually find at the bottom of their websites. So one of the most popular ones is Amazon's affiliate program because it has such a wide variety of products. But most bigger software companies offer affiliate programs too. But keep in mind that if you want this to work, you have to promote products and services that are aligned with your niche and that your audience will actually be interested in. So you have to think about what makes sense for you to promote. So take me for example, I'm a Canva affiliate. Since I promote them anyway and have been promoting them since I started my profile, it only makes sense for me to be their affiliate. So basically you want to promote products and services you actually use and enjoy personally. You can mention them in the captions of your posts or in your stories or even in your IGTVs and lives. Alright, so another way you can get paid on Instagram is by posting IGTV videos. This option is still not rolled out to everyone, but some creators are already able to make money with IGTV ads. So if you're someone who loves creating video content and posting to IGTV, this feature will be perfect for you. Instagram will put ads at the beginning of your video and pay you a certain amount of money depending on the number of views. This option is only available to creator accounts at the moment, but we're hoping they'll be adding this feature to business accounts soon. I created a whole video about this, so click here to check it out. Alright, so the next and the most popular monetization option is selling your own products or services. You can either sell physical products, digital products, or your services. So let me first start with physical products. So you can create your own web shop and have your link in your bio and promote your products by showcasing them in your posts and in your stories. Instagram added some really cool features to make it easier for people to shop by product tagging and the new checkout. If you want to sell merch and you don't want to actually have the product in stock and pay for it in advance, you can also use print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful. They will basically do everything for you, you just have to design the products and promote them through your social media. Another amazing way to make money on Instagram is to sell a digital product. What's cool about this is that you only create it once and you can then sell it over and over again. So you can sell it either on your website or you can use platforms like Etsy or Teachable if you have a course. You can also promote your services or create a membership. Me, for example, I have a membership where I provide business owners with monthly caption templates, and the only way I've been promoting it is through Instagram and Facebook, and I've been doing that since I've had a few thousand followers. So you don't need a huge audience, trust me. Alright guys, so these are my favorite ways on how you can make money on Instagram. Don't be afraid to talk about what you offer, just make sure that it's aligned with your niche and your audience will actually benefit from it. Along with these monetization options, Instagram has shared that they have more plans in the works to continue prioritizing monetization features in the coming months. So I'm really excited to see what they come up with next. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!